today I wanted to share with you a bunch of lipsticks I bought from the Gucci's newest line, lipstick line. So Gucci came out with a lipstick line that has 5 different finishes: matte, satin, metallic, sheer, and balm. I bought at least one from each of those finishes. I think they're called Rouge et Lèvres line. I don't know if I said that right. I think it means lipstick in French. I mean, I don't speak French, so I don't know if I pronounced it right. I apologize. Don't mean to offend anybody, but I'm very excited to share these lipsticks with you. So I have them all right here. This is a Selfridges pouch, but I got them from different places. I did buy some from Selfridges as well. So my lips are naked. I left them blank. I didn't even put any balm on today because there is actually a balm in here that I want to show you guys as well. My lips are totally naked. So let's get started with lining my lips and let's put these to test. The entire new Gucci lipstick line has packaging that's to die for. Very classy, just beautiful, almost like collector's items. So let's start with the lip balm. So this is the component for the lip balm. So the balm comes in 4 different shades: Anomo Orchids, Renee Pink, Jocelyn Claire, that's the transparent one, and then Penelope Plum. So I got it in the shade Renee Pink. So this is the Renee Pink, the color I got. Let me show you a swatch. As you can see, it's very sheer. It's a balm, but it's just really gorgeous. The finish is, it's kind of hard to show you in a swatch. It's really gorgeous on the lips, very natural. It gives that plumpy, sort of juicy look to your lips in a very natural way, and almost like undetectable way, depending on how you wear it. If you rub it in like a lot and get a lot of pigmentation, I mean, you can build this up. If you build it up, then it'll be a little more obvious, but if you do just one swipe, it's very natural. So let me show you. See that? I like to put the balm on without any lip liner, but you can use lip liner as well. But look at how gorgeous that looks. So that is the balm. I hope you guys can see. It can be very natural. If you dab it a little bit, it could look really, really natural. It just feels really comfortable on my lips, and it's just really natural looking. You know, it's the perfect kind of lip balm that I've been looking for all my life, to give you lips that look like it's alive. You know, it's not dead. You don't have concealer lips. You know, if you, on a day that you're not wearing any makeup, you can still use this balm on its own without any makeup. A hydrating balm with a wash of color in 3 shades and 1 transparent formula, melting on lips with a subtle natural shine. That's the description on Sephora for this balm, and I agree with every word. That's exactly how I would describe it. It's just perfect. It's the perfect lip balm I've been waiting for. So next up we have the sheer formula, and this one in my opinion has the prettiest, most beautiful vintage looking packaging. Look at that component. It's just, you know, imagine pulling this out of your purse and just, you know, freshening up your lipstick. So let me wipe off my balm and let me line my lips slightly. This I got in the shade May Coral. I wanted it to be another natural sort of shade. Sheer formula has a lot more pigmentation, and the balm is a little bit more like a watercolor. So that's what the sheer formula looks like. So the next one up is Dolly Red. So this is what it looks like. It's the other sheer formula one I have. So this is what that looks like. So it's more on the orangey red side than the May Coral. This is it swatched next to May Coral. So this is the Orderly Red or Dolly Red, and this is May Coral. I love this sheer formula because it's just right, you know, it's pigmented just enough. It's not just a wash of color, it's a little bit more than that. It's buildable, but it's, you know, it's really in the true sense a sheer formula that is buildable, so you can build it up to whatever you want. Just like the balm, it keeps your lips very hydrated. The sheer formula comes in 18 shades, I believe. So it's described as a sheer formula that gives a luminous finish in a palette of 18 shades with a hydrating, lightweight texture. So that's exactly what it is, 18 shades like I thought. So next up we have the Satin Formula, and this comes in this beautiful sort of art deco kind of, again, vintage looking packaging, just brilliant packaging. So I have the Satin Formula in Tracy Hazel. So this is Tracy Hazel. That's what the bullet looks like for Tracy Hazel. And let me swatch it on this hand for you. So this is what Tracy Hazel looks like. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. So Tracy Hazel's described as a hazel clay satin. So I just love the color of that lipstick. It's like a hazel satin. So let me put that on with a new lip liner. I'm gonna go in with the Mcgrath contour liner. So I'm gonna put on Tracy Hazel. So that's what that looks like, you guys. Can you see? So these satins feel really creamy and comfortable. Like they go on really creamy. There's pigmentation just in one swipe and it's very creamy. It feels very comfortable. It reminds me, it's very close to the formula of Natasha Denona's I Need a Nude Lipstick formula, the cream lipstick. It's a very lightweight formula, but it feels like there's a little bit more coverage than the Natasha Denona. It's just a very creamy formula, just like the Natasha Denona one, but it's just, you know, highly pigmented, very lightweight. So it's described as a creamy, intense color lipstick with a formula that delivers a long-lasting satin finish, leaving lips smooth and soft with a lightweight, comfortable feel. Exactly. It's very comfortable. It fills in the lines on your lips and it's just very smooth and it's long-lasting, I will tell you that much. I mean, you do have to reapply, but it lasts longer than your average satin lipstick. This is in the shade May Coral, the next shade. So this is what it looks like. And let me swatch it for you. It's a very beautiful, pretty color. So this is it next to Tracy Hazel. Let me put that on for you. So this is what May Coral looks like. It's a beautiful shade. I have May Coral in the sheer formula as well. It's just a shade that I really love. It's a little bit more pigmented, obviously, in the satin formula. I just really like the way it looks for like the springtime and even summer. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I really love it. Next up we have Agatha Orange, and this one is an orange, very bright orange color. And I went back and forth about getting Agatha Orange in the matte formula or the satin formula. So this is Agatha Orange right here next to May Coral and then Tracy Hazel. So I went back and forth about, you know, should I order Agatha Orange in matte or sheer satin formula, and I ended up doing satin. It seems like the sheer satin and matte formula have the same shades, of course, in the, you know, the different finishes. For example, Agatha Orange comes in the sheer, satin, and the matte formula, so that's why I was going back and forth, you know, which one should I order. So let me put on Agatha Orange right now. Wow. Super bright. So that's what Agatha Orange looks like. And I'm thinking now I really want it in matte as well. So next up I have the matte formula. I have the most amount of lipsticks in the matte formula. I have 5 lipsticks in the matte formula. So let me try those on now. So I'm going to line my lips again. So this is what the matte formula component looks like. It's again just that gorgeous vintage kind of packaging that's to die for. The first shade I have is Penny Beige. Penny Beige is described as a hazelnut beige. It's a very nude color. Wow, that's making my lips look huge. Let me swatch it for you. So it's a very kind of nude. I think it's like a matte satin, to be honest. It's not like a true matte, you know, like those dry formulas. It's a lip color that creates an intense vivid tone with a matte finish all in one stroke. So that's for sure. Like all you need is one swipe and you get full pigmentation, and it's very comfortable on the lips. I would say this is not like a real true matte. This is more of like in the middle between a satin and a matte, but it has that nice kind of creamy matte finish. So I find them very comfortable and long lasting. I love this shade. It's very nude, so it's like the perfect nude shade for me. Next one is Painted Veil, and this is what it looks like. It's described as a rosewood. It's got a little bit of mauve to it, so that's what it looks like. Painted Veil next to Penny Beige. The next color I want to try is the Mona Lesley Cameo. It's a gorgeous color. It's described as a chocolate rosewood. Let me try that on. It went on very creamy, though it's a matte. So that's what that looks like. It's a gorgeous color. I'm glad I picked that. Next up I have my 2 bright colors. So this one is 3 Wise Girls. Intense Pinky Red. Wow, that's gorgeous. Sure glad I ordered this. It's perfect for the summertime, you guys. So the last matte color I have is Goldie Red. It's described as Gucci Red Matte. It's Goldie Red. Can't go wrong with the red. So the last one I have left is the metallic formula of the lipstick line, and the component is beautiful just like the rest of them. So I have it in the shade Goldie Red. This is what it looks like. So it's a metallic, as you can see. So this Goldie Red, of course, is very different from the, you know, other Goldie Red, because this is metallic and it has like a black undertone to it. So this is what it looks like, and it's really a really gorgeous finish. I don't tend to like metallic finish lipsticks, metallic lipsticks. Brands don't usually do it very well, but this formula is very good. It's metallic, but it's still not drying, and it glides on so smoothly and still very metallic. I don't know how they did it, but this one is a winner. So let me put this on, and they had this the metallic formula in very interesting colors, like they had like metallic green, metallic blue, that kind of stuff, and I didn't really buy those. Although I might try to get something like that for like Halloween, maybe if I ever want to go out as Poison Ivy, something like that. But this is the color that I know I would wear. So let me put it on. One swipe, see, it's not patchy at all. And there is a very noticeable black undertone. It's like it has a black base, a very noticeable black base, so that the metallic can shine on top. It's very rare for me to love a lipstick line in every finish of it. I love every one of these finishes and every one of these lipsticks in this line. I just love them all, and I've got so many of them here. Like, let me see how many I've got. I've got 5 mattes, I've got 3 satins, that's 8, and then I got 2 sheer, so that's 10, and then I got a balm one, that's 11, and a metallic one, 12. So I've got 12 lipsticks here, you guys. So obviously I love this lipstick line. I think I'm going to collect as many lipsticks from this line as possible. Right now I even forgot I'm wearing it. It's so comfortable on my lips, and it just really fills in your lines on the lips and gives your lips a youthful look. It's very gives your lips a very plump kind of, even the matte finish like I'm wearing right now, it makes your lips look fuller, youthful, without any lines, and very smooth. So that's what I love about this lipstick line, and I think, you know, it's well worth the price. These lipsticks are $46 each, and that's a steep price tag, but the way I did it is that I bought most of these on Selfridges, and I believe on Selfridges it's like $30 something instead of $46 in dollars, and I ordered them on Selfridges mostly, and I didn't order them all at once. I collected them little by little over the last couple of months, but I want to collect as many as I possibly can. And next day, Sephora VIB sale or Neiman Marcus or whoever has at least a 20% off sale, maybe more hopefully, I'm going to stock up on these anytime I can. So they're well worth the price. I hope you guys enjoyed the lip swatches and hand swatches. I tried to do as good of a job as I possibly could. I am trying to run off and do something here, so I had to kind of get it done faster. I hope this was helpful to you guys in deciding if you like these lipsticks or not. I will see you in my next video.